Took a little break. It's hot as fuck today, but we're gonna get a couple things done. I didn't record much last night because I was bullshitting most of the time, but I did bring the essentials with me, and that's all I need to get what I need to get done today. First thing, I do want to put the radiator in and fill it up. Tighten a couple more bolts in, and I have the rear set with the brake that has to go on. Maybe a couple other things. I did want to put the tank on, but I am missing one part, and it still hasn't got here. It's a fuel tank fitting bracket. Goes right here, supports the tank, holds it in place. Other than that, that's about all I can get done today till that thing gets here. Might hook up a couple more sensors and connect everything back up. See, the oil looks pretty fresh. That's a good sign. So far, I got the rear sets mounted, shift linkage hooked up. I also got the other side mounted, bolted up. Only a few more things. I just need to put the exhaust on, radiator, and I already changed the oil, so I have to refill it. And I'll get that done right now. Alright, last package came in. Finally here. It's the Triple Tree nut and washer. And I just figured out I needed this.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
So, I want to do a forced startup. Got the other engine, the other bike oiled up. I'm just going to use some of my gas that's in this tank because I know it's going to go bad. Fill it up in this one. And do a forced startup. Might make a mess. Hopefully not. How are you making a mess? Battery's charged up. I'm just gonna give it a start, bump it with the starter and hit it with some starting fluid and see what happens.
So you know it's good. It's quite pungent. Stinging. Brian, I would be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline. 60%
Definitely needs a charge, or at least another battery. I know that battery is pretty old, but probably have to get another battery because this keeps getting drained every time I try to start this.